We spend years of our lives washing our hands, before meals, after chores, and throughout the day to maintain hygiene. Data suggests 97% of us focus exclusively on the surface of the skin, ignoring the complex biological hardware that sits just beneath the surface. Neglecting this hardware often coincides with common symptoms of aging: chronic bloating after eating, persistent brain fog, or waking up at 3 a.m. unable to fall back asleep. Modern treatments often target the specific organ involved, utilizing antacids for the stomach or sleep aids for the brain. Treating the organ alone is often ineffective when the primary issue is a failure in the neurological wiring that connects the body's extremities to its core. A 72-year-old man sought treatment for a decade of chronic indigestion that refused to respond to standard care. Despite seeing multiple specialists and undergoing numerous gastric exams, his doctors found no structural issues with his stomach. The breakthrough came when a physician examined the man's hands, finding his palms were abnormally cold and the tissue felt remarkably hard. His digestive system functioned normally, but the peripheral control panel responsible for signaling the stomach had become unresponsive. The human palm is home to a concentrated cluster of over 7,000 nerve endings. These nerves provide direct communication lines between the hands and the heart, lungs, liver, and stomach. As we age, the body's natural circulation efficiency begins to decline. When blood flow to the hands slows down, these 7,000 nerve endings become dormant, losing their ability to send clear signals to the brain and organs. This lack of peripheral signaling leads directly to the sluggish digestion and mental clarity issues often dismissed as unavoidable signs of getting older. Observations of Japanese centenarians show that 90% of them maintain a daily habit of stimulating their palms to keep these nerves active. Clinical data from the United States has quantified the physiological results of this specific type of nerve activation. This data shows that activating these specific nerves increases whole body blood circulation by 34% compared to baseline levels. This systemic increase suggests that influencing peripheral nerves can improve the environment of internal organs without the need for medication. Engaging the palm's neural network requires a specific mechanical routine that goes beyond simple cleaning. Start the routine by clapping your bare hands together firmly for 30 seconds while under warm shower water. The warmth and repeated impact force blood to the surface, awakening the dormant nerve cluster. Next, locate the fleshy muscle between your thumb and index finger. This specific area is known as the Hagu point, a junction used in clinical studies to stimulate the autonomic nervous system and reduce internal tension. Hold firm pressure exactly here for 5 full seconds. This 35-second sequence of heat, impact, and pressure provides a clear activation signal that travels through the entire neurological chain. Once the routine is finished, the 34% surge in circulation moves through the newly active neural pathways. A more responsive nervous system supports clearer cognitive function, more efficient digestion, and physical relaxation for deep sleep. Addressing markers of physical decline can be as simple as utilizing the manual control panel built into the palms of our hands.
Relaxation.